how to disable dial sound on iPhone. Okay, so when you are using the phone keypad, it will make the sound. To switch it off, what you can do is press and hold on the action button here. This will quickly put your phone into silent mode, and once it is in silent mode, it will not make any sound. Okay, the other options is to go into settings. Now in settings, you want to scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. And at the top here, just tap on silent mode to switch it on. And this will allow you to quickly silence the keypad. So if I turn it off, you can see that, or you can hear the sound. If I switch it off, it will not play any sound. And that's it. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.